Hi everyone, this is Jill coming to you with a little update and to show you what I did so I wouldn't go stir crazy while I'm recovering from my surgery. It's been almost a month since I had my surgery, and I knew that I was going to be limited to, or I wouldn't be able to get into my craft space for quite some time. So what I did is I packaged a bunch of card kits to make, that I pre-cut everything and followed a sketch. I follow a lot of times the old Operation Right Home sketches that were available. I don't know if they still are or not. And also from Crafty Al here on YouTube. She has been so kind to share, I think 3 months so far, June, July, and August sketches that show how to best use your paper so that you don't have a lot of waste, and then there's a sketch to show you how to make a card. So I put together, I've already made quite a few kits, but I put them all in Ziploc bags. They're just for the A2 size cards, but everything's in here but the card bases. Like this is an example for sketch number 59. These are made, and I used a bonus sketch, but it's really helped to keep me from going stir crazy since I can't get to different levels of my house. You can just watch so much TV. I'm not a big reader. I do a lot of reading with my job, and if I start to read a book, I usually end up falling asleep. So I've been trying to do other things. I've been, sending cards to people, keeping in touch in other ways, but this has really been a big saver for me to be able to still create. My family, there's going to be a mess, but good crafters are messy. But my family has been gracious, and just, you don't need to see that. Bandages, all kinds of stuff over here, but they have been very generous and have brought a lot of my crafty stuff down. My husband even went out and bought another one of these tables so I'd have more space. So I do have somewhat of a craft space. I just don't have a lot of other things that I'd like to have down here. I'm going to wait and see how much longer I'm going to be on this one level, to see if maybe I can ask my family to bring one other thing down for me, which is a filing drawer with all my colored paper. But I just thought I'd let you know what I've done. The weekend before I was to have surgery, I did a lot of cutting of paper, and I also think I'm going to continue to keep these on hand. So if I get invited to a crop or decide to go to a crop at my local craft store, if I don't have anything else planned, I can just grab these and go. So I hope you all are having a great day, and go and create something fun. I will talk to you soon. Bye.